Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will building something pretty cool, a smart livestock tracking and healthy monitoring system. At first, I was planning to buy a real smart earth tag from Shopee, go out there and attach it a cow or goat, but let's be real for a second. I don't have the hardware right now, and I definitely do not have a farm in my backyard. But as software engineers, we don't let the lack of hardware stop us. Instead of waiting around, we built a of concept. We simulated it today. I will show you how to build a complete IoT and AI tracking architecture using Perly software. We will write a Python script that acts as virtual cow wandering around sending data. And then we built a beautiful command center dashboard to track them all in real time. Grab your building the hardware simulator. Right, the first thing we need is our data source. Since we don't have a physical IoT AirTag, we are going to write a Python script to act as hardware. I created a file called cow simulator py. What this script does is actually pretty straightforward. We define a function called generate cow data. We give our virtual cow an ID and a base GPS location to make it realistic. We use Python as random model to slickly shift the latitude and longitude over time. This simulates the cow walking around the farm. Next, we need healthy metrics. A normal cow body temperature is usually around 38 to 39 degrees Celsius. So we generate a random temperature in that range. We also added a simple rule basic AI logic here. If the temperature goes above, the system automatically flags the crow sick or having fever. Otherwise, it stays healthy. Down here in the loop, we simulate multiple cows sending this data. Every few seconds we run this, our terminal basically becomes the backend server receiving live signal. Now that our virtual codes are roaming around and sending data, we need a way to visualize it. Nobody wants to look at the raw terminal all day. We are going to build a web application using Streamlit. Streamlit is amazing because it lets you build data dashboard in pure Python incredible fast. In my dashboard py file, the first thing I do is set up the page config to white layout and give it a title Smart Farm Command Center. For the layout, I split the screen into two columns. On the first side, which is the main column, we are putting a live GPS tracking map. Streamlit has a built-in estimate function that takes our latitude and longitude data and plots it directly onto an interactive map. It's literally one line of code, which is mind-blowing. On the right column, we are displaying the health metrics. We put a data frame that shows the cow ID, its current temperature, and its health status. Also, I did a section for AI alerts of the bottom just to give us warning if any anomalies are detected in the livestock. Before we run this, make sure your installer requires libraries. You can need to type pip install Streamlit pandas dumpy in your terminal. Now let's run the dashboard. Usually your type Streamlit run dashboard py, but what if you hide the enter and suddenly search a bunny or scary right text saying the Streamlit is not recognized as the name of camlet or function? Do not panic. This is very common Windows configuration issue where your system path is not set up perfect. Here is the pro tip to bypass the installee. Instead of calling Streamlit directly, you just ask Python to run it's the module. You type Python means Streamlit run dashboard py. You hit enter and boom, it's worked perfectly. And there we have in on the left, our simulator is actively generating live coordinates and healthy data. On the right, our browser site has launched a beautiful functional tracking dashboard. We can see actually where our coins are the map, and we can monitoring their temperature in real time. Even though we didn't have a real farm, we successfully built the entire software architecture for an IoT tracking system. This is what software engineering is all about: building solutions, testing concepts, and making it work with the whatever resource you have. I hope you enjoyed this 5 coding session and see my um, project. This is the healthy matrix, the columns. Okay. This is for downloading, and this is for search data the farm, the animals. Okay, we search take all down. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.